Utahns understand that winter is part of our lives. We're proud to have the greatest snow on Earth. It provides the water we need, and it also brings more than 4 million skiers and $1.4 billion to the Utah economy. Studies show a single major road closure can cost our state $66 million. That's triple the amount of our state's entire winter maintenance budget. It costs money to keep our roads and highways open and safe, but not as much as the alternative. Trucks stop moving, cars start idling, and pollution gets worse. We miss work, cancel plans, our kids miss school, restaurants are empty, and accidents skyrocket. These things negatively impact everyone. Our snow fighters and winter maintenance crews work hard. Let's help them by slowing down, giving them plenty of space, and insisting they have the tools they need to keep our roads and highways safe.